Guys, so good evening guys. This engine is for the H1. Okay, so the model is 2019. That car. Okay, so diesel. Now guys, what I'm going to do is we will fix the timing. Okay, so now I want to show you the timing mark. Okay, so this timing mark is the for the balancer, for the right side. Okay, so this is the dot for the sprocket, and this is for the chain mark. Okay, and this is the crankshaft sprocket, so have two dot. Okay, make sure align for this two dot also. Okay, and in the opposite side have one dot. This is the mark for the timing chain. Okay, and the pump, and this pump is no mark. Why? Because this pump is don't have timing. It's only rotating. Okay, and now this is the sprocket for the balancer and the left side. So we have two chain mark for the chain, and we have one dot for the sprocket. Okay, so this dot is aligned for this mark downside. Okay, and this also, sorry, this dot is aligned for this side, as you can see. Okay, and this dot aligned to this two dot. Okay, and now this is the chain for the crankshaft sprocket, for the right balancer, and the oil pump. Okay, now we have two chain. This is another chain. This chain is for the crankshaft to high pressure pump, and the balancer for left side. Okay, so now the this sprocket or the high pressure pump, they don't have a key for the shafting. This is tapered. Okay, so this is marked for the cover, rear cover. Make sure align to the dot for the high pressure pump sprocket, and align also the chain mark for the chain. Okay, so straight. So this is the mark, timing mark. Okay, and this another one sprocket for the front side. We have mark. This mark is for the another chain go to the camshaft. Okay, so just continue the video to see the full timing mark for this engine. Okay, so this engine is a D4CB engine. So as you can see here, sorry because it's already rust. D4CB. Okay, sorry guys, you didn't see. Okay, but this engine is D4CB 2.5 engine for the H1 Grand Starex. Okay, so now all timing chain for the for the balancer, crankshaft, and the oil pump is good, and crankshaft, high pressure pump, and the left balancer. So the timing mark is good. Okay guys. And about this bolt, guys, this bolt we have torque. This bolt, all bolt inside have torque. Also this. Okay, and this. So where did you can see the torque? We have a diagram here. So this is no problem. I will attach in the video a screenshot so you can see. Okay, so as you can see, this is a print mark or line 64.7 to 74.5. So example, this is the torque by Newton meter. Okay, so Newton meter. This is the high pressure pump sprocket bolt. Okay, so this is the camshaft, the tensioner, or the chain guide. So we have torque here. Okay, so you can screenshot guys.